Today on What It Looks Like Homemade, we are making some sweet Georgia cornbread pudding. Oh yeah, it is going to be delicious. If you can use a can opener and crack open some eggs, you can make this dish. That's how simple it is to make. It is going to be fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and get started today on What It Looks Like Homemade. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget it. It would mean the world to me. So let's get started. Sweet Georgia cornbread pudding on What It Looks Like Homemade.
All right, listen, here we go. You don't know how to cook, I'ma teach you now. Stir fry, cheesecake, apple pie. Get your mind right, you ain't gotta ask why. I can do this all night, let me show you how. Everything tastes good when you follow me. Make a friend ask, can I get the recipe? We turn lemons into lemonade. Get your cooking skills and upgrade on what it looks like homemade. What it looks like homemade. What it looks like homemade. Homemade.
Okay, so now let's get our Jiffy mix open. That's what we're going to use for our cornbread Jiffy mix here. Get it open, just gonna dump it right into the bowl, to the mixing bowl. Just like this. Super easy. And then we're gonna add in our corn. This is our cream corn. I always use no salt added or low sodium corn. So this is no salt added cream corn. Dump it right in there. You're gonna add our drained whole kernel corn. Dump it right in there as well. Add 2 eggs that I've already opened. Add a 1/4 cup of onions. If you don't know how to cut onions, dice it the way I've diced it. Oh, I post a video for you right here to show you how to cut an onion the easy way. Put those in there. Next we have a cup of shredded cheese. Dump it right in. Everything just goes right in the bowl. Have a 1/8 of a cup of sugar. Just add a little sweetness to it, just a little bit. All right, and then we have 8 ounces of sour cream. Dump it all in there. And then once you get everything in, you just gotta mix it up together. And you gotta mix it well, because there's a lot of ingredients in here. A lot of ingredients. Make sure you get the egg mixed in there too. We don't want just one plop of egg somewhere. That would not be good. All right, now that we're just about blended in here, it's time to get ready to pour it into our container. I'm using an 8-inch by 11-inch baking dish. So you're gonna pour all of this right in there. Now before we pour it into our pan, we want to spray it down with some non-stick spray. That way, make sure it's easy to take off. All right, here we go. It's a lot in here. Hopefully this dish is big enough. Pour it right in there. Oh yeah, you got plenty of room. Get as much of it off there as you can. All right, then we're gonna bake it in the oven. Now this dish, about this size baking pan, we're gonna take about 45 minutes to cook it. But always check it to make sure, because everyone's oven is different. I hate to say 45 minutes and then it's burnt on your end. So just check it, make sure it should start to peel away from the edges of the pan when it's getting close to being done. And of course, golden brown, which is what we want.
Oh man, it is time to eat. Look at this golden brown sweet Georgia cornbread pudding. It is the perfect side dish for this time of year, especially when having friends and family over. This will be a favorite at your house year after year. They will love you for it and always come back for seconds, thirds, and fourths.
Okay, here we go. The moment of truth, the taste test. I love this part. Here we go. It looks so good. It looks so good. Oh man. Oh. This is delicious. I hate to talk with my mouth full, but man, this is so good. the little onion, the sweet onion in there. The corn is sweet. The texture of the cornbread. You are going to love this sweet Georgia cornbread pudding. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Thank you so much again for watching What It Looks Like Homemade.